Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.